my face. That's the respect I'm running off.
Oh. That was scary as fuck.
Fuck. Fuck.
There's a room right here. Submarine room right here. Or what is this? This not a submarine room, is it? Yeah, here's the sub.
Oh god.
The sub's right here.
Get the shit out of me.
Ooh, look at that water. The water's green as hell.
Yeah,
I forgot to turn notifications off.
You.
Oh well.
Matt, slow down.
Tape.
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 Tape here.
Tape.
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 Whoa!
Tape. Tape. I'm going for the tape though. Got the tape.
Get the tape. Look on my left. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I see dead people. Literally.
Where the fuck do we go?
This way.
No, no. We went this way.
No, this way. Fall behind you. Behind you.
Behind
you. This way. Over here where I am. Come on. Satan, go back to the submarine room. If you want to stay with us anyway.
I hate this shit.
Don't follow me.
Matt! Don't look right. Don't look right.
He's gonna go.
He's on the right.
Fuck that. Fuck that. Just
what does he want with us?
Why do I get tired?
What does he want with us? He wants to rape us or something.
He wants to do
Super nipple man!
Why? Fucking
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Why you had to die? Why not me?
I'm sorry, Matt. I didn't even see him. He fucking popped up out of nowhere. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What is he doing?
Back in the submarine room, really?
I can hear everything completely.
Oh my god, dude. Like,
dude, it's very high now.
What was he doing? Was he fucking licking me? It looked like he was licking me as he killed me. What the fuck?
Maybe he was. You never know.
Sorry, I had to do this.
He could be making passionate love to you. You never know.
Sicko. It looked like he was licking me while I died. I was like, what the hell are you doing? Don't lick me.
You're doing your ball piece. Oh shit.
Oh, dude.
He was licking your non-existent tits.
That was so scary. Like I can't even explain.
Oh, we died. Matthew died.
Fuck.
We only found 6 tapes.
2 more,
God
man.
Damn.
Let's see our tracks.
In memory of all of us.
Committed liar. That's all.
Oh my god. That was scary as fuck.
My character's hair, though.
I know. You fucking.
Getting your hair though.
Oh,
That's
man.
the most. They had the most insanity.
Replay. Let's watch our replay.
Look at this, how we all spread out.
In the beginning, we're so lost.
Look at all those off screens.
That was. I can't even explain how fucking creepy that was. His face, like. Damn.
Oh, that's right. You never seen his face up close. You haven't died yet. In any game.
No, that's why when I first saw it. Oh my god. Scared the fuck out of me.
I was still alive at that point. That's amazing.
Oh,
I don't remember when I died.
No. Well, you and Satan died at the same time.
Yeah, me and Satan died at the same time right there.
Which really scared the shit out of me, but I mean, I don't know. I don't even know how it's physically possible, but it obviously just was.
Just me being alone then. Right there.
But you do realize I killed myself on purpose again.
Stop fucking killing yourself.
I didn't die on purpose. I actually died by accident.
Hey Titan, I sent you another picture. I think you might like this one.
Done with this.
Oh god, I'm done with
Anyway,
this.
end of this part, I guess.
Alright, it's time
Also
for my
GTA
outro.
maybe?
Time for my outro.
Do the outro. Do it.
Thanks for watching us, everybody. I'm Epic Titan 997. Check us all out on YouTube. Like us. everything. We will be playing this game hopefully fucking never. Peace.